Addition reaction of alkenes. Addition is a reaction in which elements are added to halogen compound by breaking one bond of a double bond and adding one element to each carbon of the two carbons of the double bond. The first is the addition of hydrogens. It's called hydrogenation. Reaction of halogen with hydrogen is called halogenation. The reaction needs a metal catalyst. This is the alkene. It's a double bond. It's a hydrogen molecule, two hydrogen atoms. The product is alkene. The next is the addition of a halogen. Halogenation. Halogenation is the addition of a halogen. We're using X to represent a halogen. The addition of halogen to an alkene. The product is dihalide. This is the alkene and the double bond halogen molecules. This is the product called dihalide. The X added to one each carbon of the two carbons. Next is called this addition of a hydrogen halide. It's called hydrohalogenation. Hydrogenation results in the addition of hydrogen halide. The halogen can be chlorine or bromine to halogen. The product is an alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. This is the reaction. You can see this alkene, this hydrogen halide. Two elements. One is hydrogen, one is halogen. This is the product. It's alkyl halide. The one carbon bonds to a hydrogen, another carbon bond halogen. Hydrohalogenation give two constitutional isomers if the alkene is unsymmetrical. Take a look at this example. This is the propene has a double bond. The C1 bonds two hydrogen, and the C2 bonds one hydrogen and one methyl group is unsymmetrical. This is hydrogen chloride. This is also called hydrochloric acid. Once it's dissolved in water. This is the product. It's the two isomers. One is 2-chloropropane. Another one is 1-chloropropane. Depends on which carbon bound to the chlorine. This one is the chlorine bonds to, the C2 bonds C2 carbon. This is the C1 carbon. The last one is addition of water. It's called hydration. Hydration adds a water molecule to halogen. The product is alcohol. You can see this double bond. This is the water. Water has two elements. One is hydrogen, another one is the hydroxyl group. This is the alcohol. Hydration of unsymmetrical alkene follow this rule. It's called the Markov-Nikov rule. In addition of water to unsymmetrical alkene, the hydrogen atom bond to the less substituted carbon atom. That is the carbon that has more hydrogens to bond with. This is the example. This is the propene. This C1 has two hydrogens. C2 has one hydrogen and one methyl group. So this this C1 has a 200. So this H bond, the hydrogen bond to this one, to the less substituted carbon. This is the less substituted carbon. This has two hydrogens. This one is the more substituted, because this is the bond one methyl group here. So the hydrogen bond to C1, and the hydroxyl group bond to C2. So the product is this one. This is isopropanol. The hydroxyl group bonded to C2.